buys today, so I thought what a better place to do that than head to the local supermarket. So let's go shopping. I probably hate the most when it comes to shopping, the toothpaste aisle. The thing with toothpaste that always gets me is how many different types and sizes of the one toothpaste there can be. So Colgate, for instance, here we've got this Colgate Total Advanced Fresh, Advanced Clean. We've got it as a 190 gram, we've got it as 110 gram. I always hate trying to pick the toothpaste I'm going to buy. But nowadays they've made it a little bit easier for me, because what they now have is, if we try and zoom in closer on this, they don't just tell me the total price, they tell me the price here per 100 grams. It says Colgate Pro Relief, $9.08 per 100 grams. Even on the specials tickets, like this one down here, where are we? $3.50 for the Colgate Advanced Fresh, $3.18 per 100 grams. Oral-B, what's that? $2.83. I don't know if that's very clear there. $2.83 per 100 grams. So what they've done is they've managed to make my toothpaste buying experience that little bit better by giving me a comparison in 100 grams. Hey, here's a bargain. $1.76 per 100 grams. Kids, that's what you're using from here on. Water in a bottle. When I was a kid, it came in a tap. You went to your tap and you got your water out of your tap. But again, there's different sizes. 1.5 litres here, 500 ml up there. And again, you can see that it made my shopping experience a little bit easier by comparing them all by the litre. So this one here, $3 per litre. This one, 750 ml, $1.32 per litre. .5 litres is 0.79 per litre. Quick comparisons made easy. One of the things, one of the bugbears in my house, particularly in my family, loves their Coke. Personally, I'm not a big fan, but look at this special. I'm sure they would go over this, but not tell them. 2 of these cans, 24 can packs, for only $33. 2 24 375 ml can packs for only $33. What I'm wondering though is what's better buy, go for the cans or to go for a special on bottles today. Bottles as well. We're getting 3 bottles of Coke here. 3 1.5 litres for $7. So 3 1.5 litre ones for $7. Or do I go for the 2 of them? 2 packs of Coke for only $33. Let's go work it out. And we've just seen our 3 bottles of Coke at 1.5 litres each for $7. Our 2 boxes of cans for $33, both on special. And my question is, what's the best buy? Now, before we go any further, the first thing I want you to do very quickly now, I want you to, in your books, predict which one you think is going to be the best buy. So just pause the video right now and predict for a second. The video up again. You better have that prediction in your book ready to show me tomorrow, because that way I'll know you've done your homework. So we've done our prediction. Now, one of the things I took out of our toothpaste and our water was, if I want to know which is the best buy, I've got to get them all in the same size. So for the toothpaste, it was all the price per 100 grams. For the water, it was all the price per litre. So if I'm going to know which of these is my best buy, I want to get them all for the same units. In this case, they both got pretty big. They've both got a fairly substantial amount. They're liquid. So I think we'll go litres on both of them. So we'll start over here on the left-hand side. And what you can do now is you can write this down, this example down in your books, as your observation. So observe, predict, observe. And you can write the way I do this working out in your books. So all 3 bottles of Coke in total, the total volume is going to be 3 lots of the 1.5 litres, which is going to give me 4.5 litres. So 4.5 litres in total volume, and that's for $7. So 4.5 litres, and it's $7. I'll say $7 for 4.5 litres. And really, if I want to know, be able to make this comparison, I want to know what's the price for 1 litre. So to go from 4.5 down to 1, I want to divide by 4.5. So I want to take my $7 and divide by 4.5. If I do that, I'll find that it's $1, and when you round off, $1.56 per litre. So there's my first comparison. Total volume, take it back down to 1 unit. In this case, the unit is litres. So I want to do a similar thing over here with my cans of Coke. I've got 22 lots of 24, and each of them is 375 millilitres. So if I put that in the calculator, I'll find out in total there's actually 18,000 millilitres in Coke in these two cartons. So of course this is in litres, this is in millilitres. I need my units consistent. Milli means 1,000th. So there must be 1,000 millilitres in 1 litre. So if I divide that by 1,000 now, I'm going to get that's 18 litres of Coke in my two cartons. So it's $33 for 18 litres. And now I just want to bring it back to that one consistent unit of a litre. Over here I divide by 4.5. This time I'm going to divide it by the 18. 33 divided by 18. And if I do that, I'll find it is in fact $1.83 per litre. So there you go. So my best buy then, if I'm worried about price totally, is this is going to be my best buy over here. Now how did that work with your prediction? Have a quick look at your prediction, make sure you've got that down as your observation, then explain why you were right or you were wrong. So predict, observe, now do a quick explanation, write a sentence as to whether you were right or wrong and why.